Hi, welcome back. My name is Meng, and today I'm going to show you how I made a bride and groom's table sign. To start off, I had to cut two 5.5 by 5.5 boards and two narrower strips of wood that's 1 3/8 by 6 inch, stationed as the feet for the larger board. Here I used the espresso stain to carefully wipe each board and strip across the grain. Then I let that sit overnight. Here I marked up a jig that was already pre-drilled, so I used it as a guide to pre-drill my strips. I made sure to mark them down on center so when I place the larger board on, it sits centered within the strip. Next, I pre-drilled the holes with the Forstner bits. Here I'm using the Forstner bit like a countersink, but now at this stage I'm lightly drilling the pre-drilled areas using countersink bits to seat and clean up the surface. I glued the top surface and clamped down the larger board on top of a jig that I made, and this is to square up the sign in place and to precisely screw down the joint boards. Using a fine bit, I CNC'd the letters Mr. and Mrs. on white MDF. Then I marked the margin square with post-its, and then I glued the letters in place. This was a short little project that I made for my brother-in-law and sister-in-law's wedding this past summer. These were very simple to make, and in context, they look amazing. If you're interested in this item, come visit our online store at myideas.etsy.com. Feel free to browse our collection. We carry wood decor, crochet items, and digital artworks. We also create custom and personalized items, and we can provide our services to help you create your designs. What you have to do is go to our My Ideas main page and then click on Request Custom Order and send us a message and details of what you had in mind. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact us anytime. Again, make sure you check out our store at myideas.etsy.com because we're always adding and updating our collection. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure you give me a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya!